How to fix Android Auto not working. To troubleshoot Android Auto not working, you can follow up the simple steps. So first of all, you can start with the basic checks, which is restarting a device. Long press on your power button and you should be finding a restart option, or press more longer and you can find a reboot option. You can just go ahead and confirm it, and that should help you resolve temporary glitches. After that, if you're using any kind of USB cable on your device, ensure that you are using the cable properly. It is properly plugged in into both the phone and the car's USB port that you're trying to connect into. And for wireless auto, you can head over the connections and verify the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi connections that you're using. Apart from that, ensure that your phone's operating system is also to the latest one. So for that, you may just head over to your device's settings again, and from here scroll down, look for software update and update to the latest version. Once this is done, you can go ahead and look out for app related issues, because that may be the issue. So if you find the application Android Auto, so let's say this is the application, long press on the application, go to the info section of Android Auto application, and from here scroll down, look for storage, go over to clear cache, and that should help you resolve the data. After that, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the particular application. Just go ahead and do so. And sometimes it may be card related issues as well. So access your card settings and verify that the Android Auto is enabled and configured correctly. And check and install updates for your card's infotainment system. So you can follow up this method and see if that works. If all else fails, you can reach out to Google's Android Auto support or your car's manufacturer's support for further assistance, and they should help you. So you may follow up this method if you would like to fix the Android Auto not working for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.